The St. Elizabeth Police pulled out all the stops for one of its very own today, escorting the country's top PEP primary student for her graduation. Jamaila Maitland has our story.
Paparazzi and police escort for the PEP princess. Police sirens blast through the streets of Black River in St. Elizabeth Wednesday morning, guiding a limousine. The destination, Park Mountain Primary and Infant School. Their proud parents and guardians waited patiently for the guest of honor. No government official, no entertainer, just their local celebrity and the country's newest academic sensation. Police officers stand at attention as the silver limousine door swung open, but it's gold for top PEP student Jassonia Beadle. And as the students prepared to march to begin their final lesson, more cheers. Jassonia, who's also the head girl for her school, shared one last message with her graduating class.
To my fellow graduates, congratulations, we made it. We turned challenges into achievements and memories into milestones. Let us continue to believe in ourselves, work hard, remain respectful, and never stop striving for greatness.
Aside from her sweeping passes, she received a top award from the police.
So I'd like to present to our exceptional student what we call the Divisional Commander's Award of $100,000 that will go towards your education.
Head of the division, Superintendent Coleridge Minter, says the escort is a small gesture to show their support to the little girl who has been positively transforming the parish.
When you flip, and I see observer, when you flip the pages and you see a murder or a robbery or a skeleton remains or something crime, and then one day you wake up and as you scroll and stroll, you see top PEP students, St. Elizabeth, and you scroll, St. Elizabeth, and you scroll, and you see St. Elizabeth. What joy that brings to all of us.
Jamaila Maitland, TVJ News.